So, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Um, Today, I brought you very interesting topic as a Chat GPT introductions. What is a Chat GPT? It is a very important tool which launched in the market that can do anything for you. So whatever you want to do, you can just tell to ChatGPT. The ChatGPT tool will be able to deliver whatever else. So for example, for the kids who is going to schools, or for those people who are really preparing for PhD, or who are really looking for something peculiar topics to prepare for their thesis. As well, it is really built for any age group of the people. Even kids can use, even school 12th standard students can use, even the software developer who is working in a software company, the big company wanted can use the chat GPT. What is a chat GPT? It is nothing but this is a generative pre-trained transformer which has been launched by the AI companies, which works basically on the artificial intelligence in the background. So if let's suppose, for example, I am going to type in a Google some location I want to find. Like I want to go to Jammu and Kashmir. It will tell you how many ways it will go to. You can go to Jammu Kashmir in a Google. But ChatGPT will give authentic source, and it will search in the background many searches from the different websites and create a very truthful information to you. This is what exactly a ChatGPT is going to do. So it's create a tremendous value additions in the day-to-day life of the people. Let's suppose you want to write an essay. You can tell I want to write an essay on certain topic. So ChatGPT will provide you a perfect essay for that particular. If you want to do school homework, any children is going to do school homework, is that particular you can write in a chat GPT that I want to do this homework. So that the chat GPT can do for you free of cost. So this is and with a zero error grammatical mistakes. If you want to write an email, you can write an email. If you want to say I want to write an email so and so person with some contents, it will write for you, and you can copy paste and send it to anybody. HR manager in any company will also use this one, because if HR manager wants to create a certain content of HR leader, um, that person can ask, I want that particular HR letter in such and such so and so format. Then ChatGPT will produce a standard format for their purpose. So it's not only for any specific group, it is the search engine which will search very authentic informations to anybody else. So I'm gonna show you how you are going to use in a day-to-day activities. If I want to say, I want to do some coding of certain purpose, so ChatGPT would provide you certain codes so that you can use those particular codes in your applications. So that level, everything you can ask anything, it'll give you the correct answers. Any history, any geography, any kind of, if you are preparing for IAS, if you are preparing for any kind of IIT exams, you can ask the questions. It will provide you the most authenticated the answers, which is a very correct. So what is the difference between the Google and ChatGPT? If you place a question in a Google provide multiple answers. You may be confused in that particular multiple answers. Okay, so the importance of ChatGPT is just it will give you authentic answers, just one out of many searches. Amongst many, it will find what is authentic, what is perfect answer for your question, that will provide you. So let's go and see how how you can use it. So I'm going to show you. Just you have to write in Google. Okay. Okay, just open Google and write ChatGPT. It'll open in OpenAI. So you have to be very careful about OpenAI. This one, introductions to ChatGPT. You have to open this one. Once you open, you'll see this page. You have to come down and try. You have to click on try ChatGPT. Once you try in the ChatGPT, it will ask for the user ID and password to create a login first. So I have already created login. So what I have training Python training website. And whatever you are searching every day, it will going to save in the left panel. So you don't have to worry about the yesterday's chat. It's not going to be lost. So you can see always whatever you have already searched. So I'm going to search something like who, who is president of Nigeria. Now it shows you, as per my knowledge, cut of the September 2021, the president of Nigeria was Muhammadu Buhari. However, please note that my information may not be up to date with any recent developments or changes. It will also provide you some basic informations that you can always have can trust on this answer. Now, I want to I want to write. Um, I want to have essay on global warming. Let's suppose it will provide full, and it will have very significant knowledge for that particular topics. So you can copy paste and use for your particular homework. So any kind of questions you can type. Okay, I'll also I'm gonna show you some kind of what we are using as a software developer in certain okay, if I want to if I want to have a piece of code which I want to use in applications in our application day-to-day life. So if I'm asking, I want to have lambda function code in Python for Fibonacci series. So here is a very important thing. See, so it provides me the code. What is a lambda function which you can use the Fibonacci series? I can copy paste this code and use my applications. So the software developer can use, HR can use, kids can use for their homeworks. Anyone can use this. This is a very important. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care.